You want to go to Amazon Seller Central. When you're in Amazon Seller Central, you log in. When you log in, you head on to the bottom that says help. Go to the help. Once you're in help, you're going to describe this. You're not going to describe nothing in here. All you're going to put is count, health, question. You put whatever in there. Then you click continue. Now this pops up. What you're going to do is you're going to put my issue is not listed. When you click my issue is not listed, you're going to click on account related. Don't click FBA. Don't click on account related. Once you click on account related, it's going to say continue. Now it's going to ask you for an identifier. You don't need any identifier. You click on I don't have an identifier. Then you go continue. Now you grab your phone. When you grab your phone, you're going to put your number in there. If you want to get called in the next 60 seconds, you put call me now. If you want to get called in the next 30 seconds, you click on this issue is urgent and require. Okay, call me now. Okay, there you go. It's ringing now. There you go.
Thank you for contacting Amazon Sellers.
You grab that number and you save it in your contacts so you know what to do. As a recap, again, you go to the help, you describe your issue, account performance, account related, you don't have an identifier. Maybe you made a mistake, you want another call. Okay, put the phone number in again, call me now. You don't want it to be that urgent, put call me now, still see how long it takes. Now you wait 30 seconds.
Contacting Amazon check on your support experience.
And then you get your agent, and it's as simple as that.
Seller support.
And that's it.